Good morning, students. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Now, today I am going to teach both Maths 1 and Maths 2. First, I am going to teach Mathematics 1. Last time we have done the concept of matrix multiplication. Okay. So now today I am going to continue that concept, matrix multiplication. Okay. So we know that two matrices are conformable for multiplication. Two matrices are conformable for multiplication. Okay, two matrices are conformable for multiplication if total number of columns of first matrix is
Excuse me,
equal
sir.
to, yes, not presenting this thing, 1 minute,
Your screen is not visible.
just a minute. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so two matrices are
Yes, sir.
conformable for multiplication if total number of columns of the first matrix is equal to total number of rows of second matrix. Okay, so this is the condition we required when we have to perform matrix multiplication. Okay, and we have done two example also. Now today we have to see properties of matrix multiplication. So the two very important properties of matrix multiplication is, okay, see, first one is important. For matrices A and B, just a minute. For matrices A and B, matrix multiplication is not commutative. That is, AB is not equal to BA in general. So this condition, remember, AB is not equal to BA in general for matrix multiplication. For some matrix it is satisfied, for some matrix it is not satisfied. So in general, matrix multiplication is not commutative in nature. Now matrix multiplication is associative. That means bracket AB into C is equal to A into bracket BC. So this property is called as the associativity. Okay, so matrix multiplication is associativity, but it is not commutative in general. So this is the property. Now let's solve some example from the exercise. Okay. Now I'm going to do the second, because first type of problem we are already done. So let's see the second problem. Now what is given here? Solution given A is equal to 1 minus 3 4 2 and B is equal to 4 1 3 minus 2. Okay, then we have to show that AB is not equal to BA. So first we have to find AB. See, what is the order of this matrix? There are 2 rows and 2 columns, so 2 cross 2. What is the order of B? 2 cross 2. So number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. Similarly, number of columns of B is equal to number of rows of A. So both AB and BA exist. Okay, so we directly determine AB first. So A into B. So A is what? 1 minus 3 4 2, and B is 4 1 3 minus 2. Okay, now we know how to perform this multiplication. We take the row of the first matrix and column of the second matrix. So first we take the first row of the first matrix and multiply each element of the first row with each corresponding element of the first column and then add it of the second matrix. So see this, 1 into 4, 1 is multiplied with 4, first element of the first column of second matrix. So 1 into 4 plus second element of the first row of the first matrix is multiplied with second element of the first column of the second matrix. So minus 3 into 3, like this. Okay, now first row and first column multiplication is over. Then you observe whether there is a second column in the second matrix. Yes, if there is a second column, then give space. Okay, after giving space, then perform the same procedure, first row multiplication with corresponding element of the second column. So 1 into 1 plus minus 3 into minus 2. Now after this, any other column? No. Then we have to change the row of the first matrix. If you have to change the row, then come down. So take second row and first column, second row and second column. So this become 4 into 4 plus 2 into 3. Similarly give space, 4 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. And no rows and no columns are left. So just close this. So we get too close to matrix here. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Then 1 minus 6, 1 plus 6, minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Then 16 plus 6 is 22. 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is what AB is. Then you consider BA. So consider BA. B is what? 4 1 3 minus 2 into A. A is what? 1 minus 3 4 2. So again the same procedure, first row and first column. So 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 into 4 is 4. Then give space because there is a column. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12 plus 1 into 2 is 2. Then there is no column, so come down, take the second row with first column and second row with second column. So 3 into 1 is 3, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Then give space, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Now compute. So BA is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10, 3 minus 8 is minus 5, minus 13. This is equation number 2. So what we observe, 1 and 2 are not equal. Okay, so therefore by 1 and 2 we get by 1 and 2 we get AB is not equal to BA. किसका माइक चालू है? So AB is not equal to BA. So this completes the first problem. Any doubt here, students? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's move to the second problem. Now let's see third one. See, I request you all, please come on time. Okay, if you want to attend the lecture, then please come on time. Okay, 1 minute, just I take the attendance. Okay. So what is the question? A is given, B is given. State whether AB is equal to BA. Justify your answer. So how to justify this? we have to compute AB and BA separately. So here given matrix A is equal to -1 1 1 2 3 0 1 minus 3 1, and matrix B is equal to 2 1 4 3 0 2 1 2 1. Okay, so first we have to compute AB. So -1 1 1 2 3 0 1 minus 3 1, and B is what? 2 1 4 3 0 2 1 2 1. Okay, now perform the multiplication. So what we have? First row and first column. So -1 into 2 is -2, plus 1 into 3 is 3, corresponding elements. 1 into 1 is 1. Give space, then first row with second column. So -1 into 1 is -1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2. Then again give space, there is a third column. So -1 into 4 is -4, plus 1 into 2 is 2, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so first row multiplication with first column, second column and third column, second matrix is done. Then we are going to change the row, so come down, and then again second row with first column, second row with second column, second row with third column, and corresponding elements. Please remember these points. So 2 into 2 is 4, plus 9, plus 0. Then 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0. Okay, perform this operation very carefully without making any mistake. So 2 into 4 is 8, plus 3 into 2 is 6, plus 0 into 1 is 0. Then again row is changed, so come down, third row with first column. So 1 into 2 is 2, minus 9, plus 1. Then space, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 3 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2. Then again give space for third row with third column. 1 into 4 is 4, minus 6, plus 1. Okay, now calculate. So AB is equal to 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 is 2, 1, minus 4 plus 2, so minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 2 is 2, yeah, it is okay. Then 4 plus 9 is 13, 2 14, 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Please calculate this carefully. 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 6 is minus 1. So this is your AB. Similarly we compute BA. Okay, so consider BA. Consider BA. BA is equal to 2 1 4 3 0 2 1 2 1 into A, -1 1 1 2 3 0 1 minus 3 1. Perform the multiplication same way. 2 first row with first column. 2 into -1 is -2, 2 into -2 is 2 into -1 is -2, 1 into 2 is 2, 4 into 1 is 4. Then give space, first row, just a minute, second, yeah, then first row with second column. 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 4 into -3 is -12. Then 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 0 is 0, 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, then second row with first column. So 3 into -1 is -3, 0 2. Okay, do this very carefully. 3 into 3 1 is 3, plus 0 minus 6. Okay, 2 into -3 is -6. Then 3 into 1 is 3, 0 2. Then 1 into -1 third row with first column, -1, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1. Then 1 third row with second column, so 1 into 1 is 1, plus 6 minus 3. Okay, yes, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 plus 1. Now compute this. So BA is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. Then this is minus 10 plus 3 minus 7, 6 minus 1 minus 3, 5, 4, 4, 2. So what we observe from 1 and 2, matrix is unequal. Okay, so by 1 and 2 we get, by 1 and 2 we get AB is not equal to BA. This is the conclusion. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, any other doubts? Just a minute. Okay, so that AB is equal to BA. In the same manner we have to perform this. So so let's see problem number 5. Now in this case you have to just compute AB and BA and then check whether it is equal or not. Okay, okay, before going to 5, let us see second example where we have to prove AB is equal to BA. So here you compute AB. So cos theta, sin theta, sin theta, cos theta, and B is what? Cos phi minus sin phi, sin phi, cos phi. Okay, perform the multiplication. Again, first row with first column. So cos theta into cos phi. Okay, plus sin theta into sin phi, corresponding element, please remember. Then give space because there is a column exists in the second matrix. Then first row with second column, cos theta into minus sin phi, so that is minus cos theta into sin phi. Okay, then cos theta into cos phi plus sin theta into sin phi, sorry, second element is sin theta and here it is cos phi, sin theta into cos phi. Then come down because we are going to change the row, so sin theta into cos phi plus cos theta into sin phi. Then second row with second column, sin theta into minus, so that is minus sin theta into sin phi, then cos theta into cos phi. Okay, then apply the formula. We know that cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B is what? Cos of A minus B. So using that, what we get here? Cos of theta minus phi, and here sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B in this case. So this is what? Sin of theta minus phi. Similarly here sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B, so sin of theta plus phi, and here cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos of A plus phi, that is theta plus phi. So this is first equation. Then you consider BA. Okay, for BA I again require the matrix. So for BA, so BA cos phi minus sin phi into cos phi into A. A is cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. So perform the multiplication. Cos phi into cos theta minus sin phi into sin theta. Then space cos phi into sin theta minus sin theta into cos theta, sin phi into cos theta. Then second row with first column sin phi into cos theta, then plus cos theta into sin theta, cos phi into sin theta, then sin phi into sin theta plus cos phi into cos theta. Okay, there is plus. Now cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is what? Cos of A minus B. So cos of phi minus theta. Here it is sin of theta minus phi. Here it is sorry, it is plus. ये प्लस होगा, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? प्लस sin of phi plus theta. Here it is cos of phi minus theta. Yes, theta minus phi you can say. This is equation number 2. So compare it with equation number 1. So here it is theta plus. Okay, what is the question is? AB is equal to BA. So AB is equal to BA यहाँ पे हमें नहीं मिल रहा है. यहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा है. Just minute, I check the multiplication again. Minus sin phi cos phi. So cos phi into cos theta minus sin phi into sin theta, that becomes cos theta plus phi. Okay, then cos phi into sin theta minus sin phi into cos theta, so that is theta minus phi. ये भी ठीक है. Sin phi into cos theta plus cos phi into sin theta, that becomes sin of theta plus phi. This is also okay. Sin phi into sin theta plus cos phi into cos theta, cos of theta minus phi. Okay. So here it is seems to be unequal. ये वाला पार्ट कुछ गड़बड़ा रहा है. एक मिनट इधर चेक करते हैं. sin theta into minus sin, so minus sin theta into sin phi, cos theta into cos phi. Okay, sin into minus sin theta into sin phi, so cos of theta plus phi. Yeah, it is unequal. You check it. I got this is unequal here. You just check it. Okay. So next problem, see question number 5. A is given, you have to prove that A square is equal to 0. So given A is equal to 4, 8 minus 2 minus 4, you have to show that A square is a null matrix. 0 means null matrix here. So A square means A into A. Okay, so A is 4, 8 minus 2 minus 4 into A. A is what here? A into A, yeah, 4, 8, minus 2, minus 4. So 4 into 4 is 16, 8 into minus 2 is 16. Then space 4 into 8 is 32, minus 32. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. Then minus 2 into minus 8 is minus 16, minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. So when you compute, it becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. That is a null matrix. So therefore A square is equal to 0. Okay. Now move to the next question. Verify that. So I will take sixth example. Verify A into BC is equal to AB into C. Okay, ABC are given to you. So how to perform this? First we compute A into BC. So to compute A into BC. So in order to compute A into bracket BC, first we need to compute BC. So BC को consider करो. So B is 2, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 3. And C is 3, 2, minus 1, 2, 0, minus 2. Start multiplication. First row of the matrix B is multiplied with each column of this second matrix. So 2 into 3 is 6, minus 4. Then give space. 2 into 2 is 0 or 4. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. Then 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Then come down, change the row. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 2, space, minus 2, plus 0, 1, minus 2. Then 0 into, then come down, 0 into 3 is 0, plus 6, 0, plus 0. Then 0 or minus 6. So BC is equal to, BC क्या मिल गया? 2, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. Here it is 6, 0, minus 6. Okay, then you compute A into BC. Once you get BC, then you compute A into BC. So what is A? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 4, 5. And BC is 2, 4, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 6, 0, minus 6. Okay, now multiply it. So first row and first column. So 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into minus 1 is 0, 1 into 6 is 6. Space 1 into 4 is 4, 0, 0. Then 1 into 2 is 2, 0, 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Then second row, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 3, 0. Then 8, minus 6, 0. 4, minus 3, 0. Then 0, minus 4, 30. 6 into 5. This is 6. Okay. Then 0, minus 8. Okay, this is minus 8 plus 0. Then 0, minus 4, minus 30. Compute this. So A into BC is equal to 8, 4, minus 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, 8 minus 6 is 2, 1, 26, minus 8, minus 34. This is A into BC. Then to compute AB into C. To compute AB into C. So in order to compute this, first we need to compute AB. So consider AB. So what is A? A is 101 230 101 230 045 into B. What is B? 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 1103 minus 1103. See, order of A is what? 3 cross 3 and order of B is what? 3 cross 2. So number of columns of A is equal to number of rows. So multiplication exists and multiplication का order क्या आएगा? 3 cross 2. ये याद रखो. So start multiplication. So first row with first column. This is the first row and this is first column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Space, because we are going to change the column. So 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 0 plus 3. Then come down, we are changing the rows. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 3 plus 0. Then minus 4 plus 3 plus 0. Then come down, 0 into 2 is 0 minus 4 plus 0. Then 0 plus 4 plus 15. So AB is equal to 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 1 minus 4, 19. Then you compute AB into C. Therefore, AB into C is equal to, so AB is what? 2, 1, 1 minus 1 minus 4, 19 into C. What is matrix C? C is 3, 2 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 0 minus 2. So multiply. First row is this, first column. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 2. Space 4 plus 0. Minus 2 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 2 plus 0. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 12 plus 38. Okay. Then minus 8 plus 0. 4 minus 38. Yes. So what we get here? 8, 4 minus 4. 3 minus 2 is 1, 2, 1. And this is 34, 20, 26. 38, that is 28, 26 minus 8, and this is minus 34. This is equation 2. Let us check the answer. Yeah, 26 minus 8 minus 34, 1, 2, 1, 8, 4 minus. Yes, both 1 and 2 are correct. So by 1 and 2 we get, by 1 and 2 we get A into BC is equal to AB into C. So this is what associativity is verified. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so the homework question you are going to solve and practice multiplication of matrices, because sometimes students get confused when they multiply two matrices. So this is a very important topic and which is important for 12th standard, matrix multiplication. Okay, so now I am going to stop paper 1. I just take the final attendance for the paper 1 and then I am going to start paper 2. Okay. Okay.